Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Let us see for making what all the things in knife skills or knives are encompassed of, which all items you require to put the knives together. Let us see, of course, the knives are the first thing. You need various sizes of knives. The next one is the sharpening stone, various types of sharpening stone. Then the next one is the sharpening rod, or you can say honing rod, then in two sizes. Then of course, for the safety of the knife, you need the knife covers. Knife covers can be in wooden, in the shape of the knife blade, or it can also hold the knives like how it can hold the knife blade so that it is safely stored or safely held. Then comes your knife sharpening machine. Normally we don't use this. To get some knives from very thick blade, to bring it down, you can use this. Then you have a knife bag, a handy knife bag to carry your knives. So then after having all this required for the knife set, then the very important one is what it is, all the knives are being held. That is the chopping board. These are the items which encompass all the items required for knife skills or to be a great chef with good knife skills.